Video được Việt hóa bởi Ngọc Tân từ group tài nguyên dựng phim. Nghiêm cấm các hành vi lít về rồi bán cho thằng khác. Mọi ý kiến đóng góp xin gửi về Facebook Quỳnh Ngọc Tân.
Let's take a look at a couple of the things that might give you a little bit of trouble as far as the layout of the edit page. One big thing that gets people quite a bit is if you can't find a panel, again, make sure to check to see if it's activated up here in this top bar. There's even sometimes where a panel won't even show up unless you have another panel activated, or it'll show up in a different place if you have a different panel activated. So if you really can't find something, try kind of swapping through these a little bit. Because they kind of move back and forth sometimes. A great example of this is the source viewer and the inspector. If you have the inspector up on some screens, it will sort of combine the source and timeline viewers. If you're looking at a piece of media from the media pool, it'll show as the source viewer. And if you're down here in the timeline, it'll show as the timeline viewer. And it can get kind of confusing if you're used to working with both of them. If you want to see both of them, make sure to just close the inspector and you can see both. The other thing that'll happen sometimes is sometimes you'll have a panel that kind of goes off the screen or is squished down too much or something like that. And if you really get in a rough spot, you can always go up to where it says workspace and select reset UI layout. And what that will do is just bring this back to defaults and put everything back so it plays nice together. Those are the major things that I think trip people up sometimes about the edit page.